I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video I have this Samsung Galaxy A50. I'm going to go right ahead and show you what I'm talking about, right? There are times you will get the overheating with the water sign, like a moisture detection sort of thing, but this one is an overheating symbol, right? There you can see it. The phone is actually overheating. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the back off. As you can see, this overheat sign. So you will want to heat the back of the glass, the edges around, and you want to take the back off. Then what you want to do here now, you want to remove all the screws, right? Make sure you remove all the screws, and then you want to take off the back cover, in which you can split going around and take off the back cover. So it's quite easy to take off. I'm actually doing this with my fingers. You want to just slide your finger, or you can use a tool, one of these plastic tools if you so desire, or one of those metal tools. Take the back off. So the back cover is off, the middle frame there is off, and don't forget to take out your SIM tray. Guys, I'm doing this with my phone at the moment, so that's the reason why I'm taking clips. The issue that we're experiencing is most likely coming from this board right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to examine the board. So guys, I removed the board and also the ribbon, right? You need to unplug this antenna wire right here, and also this right here. So the problem is with this board, we may need to replace this board, right? This is the charging board. The port is good and everything, guys. So what we're going to do, we are going to reflow the board. We are going to try reflowing this board, and we are going to see if this fixes the issue. If anything on it is unsoldered or anything. So I just put some soldering flux on the board.
5 hours later.
So the reason I did this is because just in case any of the small components on the board is desoldered for whatever reason, that can be possible at times. So that's why I reflow the board, just to make sure. I decided to get down to the bottom of this, and what we're gonna do, we're going to just plug in the charger here, and I'm going to just run a brief test to see if we're actually getting anything. Right, we should get about 5 volts, right? So there you have it, guys. We actually let me just shift the camera. Definitely we know that this is a sensor, temperature sensor issue. The phone is not charging. We will definitely need to get rid of the temperature sensor. So guys, the 5 volts is actually present on the board. So something went wrong. Something went wrong with the temperature sensor, which is right here. So guys, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to plug this in right here. We're gonna take a look and see if we will get any charge. We are still getting this issue here. Definitely our last resort is that we will have to remove the temperature sensor, right? So what we're going to do, we are going to just remove the temperature sensor, right? So that means the phone won't be able to really detect the temperature, but the phone will charge, and basically we will reorder a new board, so we will be able to use the phone until we get the new board. So we'll just remove the temperature sensor just to get the phone to charge and to work, right? But this is a permanent fix. Just mean your phone won't be able to sense the charging temperature, and when it gets hot, to notify you. Ordering a new board will take a few days, a week and a half, 2 weeks. For those of you who want to do this or you don't care about the temperature sensor, so guys, I am going to remove the components. So as you can see, the components are removed, and let me ensure that it's not there. So guys, that's it. The components are gone. So guys, you can actually see where the connections are. You are seeing the different connections for the sensor area. This is because we removed the sensor, so the phone should charge. Let's go ahead and connect everything. This one down. So guys, I finished plugging up everything, and the wires are in properly, the antenna cable. If you look carefully, you can see where we removed the sensor from this area here. So this was indeed our last resort. So we are going to see if what we did was successful, right? So if it charged, we weren't able to use the sensor there with the temperature, but definitely we will have to eventually change the port. So it's actually charging there now. So that's very good. It's actually charging, guys. So I'm gonna give this a few percentage charge before I actually put back up the phone. You can actually see what we did was successful. So guys, just want to conclude this video, right? Let me just plug in and plug out the charger. So the phone is at 11% as you can see, and the phone is still in pieces. Well, this is not a tutorial how to take apart your phone, so this is the end of this video, and everything is legit. Do like, share, subscribe, and let me hear you sound off in the comment section below.